The M.Sc in Addiction Recovery at Trinity College Dublin is the first of its kind, with no identical course offered internationally. The course is built on an evidence base in terms of addiction recovery, and we've got leading academics from Trinity and from across NGOs and government sectors that contribute to the course. Another part of the course that we're really proud of is the fact that it includes people with lived experience. A third of our student population are those with lived experience of addiction, and equally about a third of our faculty that contribute to the M.Sc in Addiction Recovery also have a lived experience. So the course is really geared towards addiction practitioners, and that can be anybody from medical doctors, nurses, frontline workers, support workers. So the course is offered either as a 1-year full-time course or a 2-year part-time course. There are 12 taught modules, and the first 4 modules really focus on the theoretical side of addiction and addiction recovery science. And then we move into the more evidence-based toolbox. Students get exposed to the latest evidence in terms of what's happening at a clinical and practical level. And then the final part really focuses on that scientist-clinician piece, and we're really gearing people up to engaging in research and contributing to the scientific evidence. So I suppose the evidence that the course is based on comes from that biopsychosocial model, so pulling on the biological, the psychological and the social factors that leave a person vulnerable to addiction, and equally what are the factors that contribute to a positive recovery. What makes the course very unique is it's the first of its kind that focuses on addiction recovery. So moving away from that disease model of addiction and looking towards a solution-focused element of addiction recovery. One of the things that we're really proud about the course is the pathways that our students take. We have created pathways onto PhD programs, doctoral programs. So there are plenty of opportunities if you chose to take this course. We really look forward to welcoming you to coming to Trinity.